Okay, this is for the first example. We must find the area of a region R bounded by this curve x plus y equal 2, y equal square root x, and x axis, and also located at quadrant 1. So this is the solution. In this example, I will explain two ways to find the area with x orientation and also y orientation. First, we use the y orientation, so we must write the two curve in x equal a function of y. So we can get x equal 2 minus y and x equal y square. Okay, this is the picture of the curve. This is x plus y equal 2 and this is y equal square root x. So the region D is this. Okay, if we see this area, this region is from y equal 0 and y equal 1. And from 0 to 1, we have the line, the blue line is located right to the green curve. So we can find the area by integrate directly from 1 to from 0 to 1, and the blue line is 2 minus y and minus the green curve is equal y square, and we can get the area of D. Okay, now we use the x orientation. We see the region D is bounded by this, and also this. In this orientation, we cannot integrate directly from 0 to 2 because if we consider the x orientation from 0 to 2, the green curve is not always upper the blue line. So we must divide the region D2 into two part 1 and part 2. First, we find the area of part 1. This region. In this region, only the green curve. So we can find the area of this because there is only the green curve. We integrate 0 to 1 with square root x dx, and for the second part we can integrate 1 to 2, and in the second part there are only the blue line, so we use only 2 min x, and we get the area of this bounded region D. Now we will continue for the second example. Find the area of region R bounded by this curve, this line, x-axis and y-axis. This is the intersection points, and this is the curve, the bounded region. Okay, we must find the region D is this. Okay, then we must draw the region R with some application, and we get this picture, and the region R is this region. Now we will find the area of R. We use the x orientation, so we must divide it into two parts. The first part is this region, and the second part is this region. This is the point x equal minus 11 over 3. This is x equal minus 1. And for the first part, there is only the green curve, so we can find the area with this formula. Integral from minus 11 over 3 to minus 1 and minus x squared dx. And for the second part, if we look, the green curve is above the red curve, and this is from x minus 1 to x equals 0. So the area of this region is integral minus 1 into 0, 9 minus x squared in bracket minus 1 over 3, 5x minus 5 in bracket dx, and we can get the area of the region R.